Hi everybody, Alex Deploy here from Expert Forex, and in this video I want to make you aware of a great Black Friday special where we are offering 60% off our very best robots. And this special also applies to Cyber Monday, so the special will only run for a short period of 4 days, and don't let this special go past you. So let's have a look at the EAs that are on offer here. You can purchase a bundle, that's a bundle of 3 EAs, the Make Money EA, the Dream Machine EA, and the Grid Trend Multiplier. And as you can see on our list of monitoring accounts, those EAs are by far our best performing EAs. And if you want more detail, you can go and have a look at the marketing pages, which I'll give you details of further in the video. So as you can see there are the 3 EAs that are on sale. They are 60% off the full price, and you can buy all 3 of them for $330, almost the price of one of them. And what's even better, that existing clients get a further 50% off, so they can purchase it for $167, an incredible discount. If you are an existing client and you already own 1 or 2 of these EAs, you will get a manual refund for your existing owned products, and there are the amounts that the manual refund will be on your screen. Now here are some details about the EAs. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail. Please use this link to have a good look at the Grid Trend Multiplier, and then use this link to have a good look at the Forex Trading Dream Machine, really doing well at the moment. And then our best performing EA, which is the Make Money EA, details can be found at that particular link. These links will be in the description of the video as well as in the commentaries of the video. And if you want to make use of this special, here is the Black Friday special bundle link. The link will appear on your top right hand side of the video right now, and as I mentioned earlier, the links will be in the description and commentary of the video. So just a reminder to make use of this very special Black Friday and Cyber Monday offer. It is a limited time offer. It only has 4 days to run, so please make use of it as a new client and as an existing client. From me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.